Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change theme in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So simply all you need to do is to go to your WordPress theme store, and then you will need just to add any theme that you would like. So simply here we go to appearance, and after that I'm just going to click on add new theme. Now you can simply type WooCommerce so you can have more compatible WooCommerce themes. And from here, you can just choose any theme that you would like. So here you will find too many options. You choose the one that you would like, and then you will click on install. So now here is the tricky part. Make sure always to deactivate your first theme. So if you are using this one, you will need to deactivate it. You can just click, for example, on customize. Let's just go back and simply you can have it like this. You can go to the theme details and activate the new theme so you can have this one deactivated, or at least you will need to have two themes that are activated so you can deactivate the previous one. So if you leave this one always activated, you might have some conflicts that will happen between the new theme and the older one, and it might mess up or give you error or some unexpected bugs. So it's better to deactivate your previous theme, and this is how you can change it. So after that you will be able to start going to your store and you will find your new theme or the templates that you are using, etc., and you can start using your uh, website builder and you can start customizing on it, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.